So hi. After a long time, I'm just going to ஒரு tarot reading வந்து நான் பண்ண போறேன். So tarot reading வந்து எப்படி அப்படினு வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படினா I have selected 3 piles, okay? 3 piles. Tarotல 3 cards எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கேன். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா இந்த oracle card. Okay, this is named as Angel and Ancestors oracle cardsல இருந்து ஒரு card எடுத்துருக்கேன் for your guidance and for your advice, okay? So over tarot cards we are going to do clarification. Why is this card has him? Why this card has him? Why this card has him? And we are going to clarify, okay? This is going to be the general reading, guys, okay? General reading na ungalku theriyum eppadi irukum appdin solittu it may not resonate with it may or may not resonate with everyone. Plus yarikalla vandu resonate agudho, please take it. Resonate agalena just vitudunga. Take it easy. Don't take it to the heart, okay? I'm just going to see the tarot reading. Almost 2-3 months on a video because I have a net connection issues in area in between Roma mala vera irundhathu. So ella problems ku or solution kondu vandittu okay, let me upload without any problem appdi solli ena na edela kuda oru thadava na try panna upload pandradhukku or 30 minutes of video kuda eduthu na upload panna try panne, but it didn't work out for me. Nariya problems irundhathu. So Wi-Fi connection வாங்கி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பண்ணிட்டு so ப்ராப்பரா பண்ணலாமே அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு தான். So நான் piles என்ன அப்படின்றத வந்து நான் இப்ப வந்து நான் காட்டிடுறேன். After that நம்ம வந்து ஒவ்வொரு piles-ஆ வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா clarify பண்ணி will get deep into the reading, okay? So நம்ம வந்து டைரக்டா வந்து போயிடலாம். So yes guys, this is the pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. This is amethyst card, okay? Idhula vandu paathitingna 3 tarot cards and 1 oracle card irukku. This is rose quartz and this is black tourmaline. So please endha card neenga choose panna poringa, endha card neenga pick panna poringa அப்படின்றத வந்துட்டு just decide பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. பாஸ் பண்ணி just உங்க இன்ட்யூஷன் வந்து உங்களை என்ன சொல்லுது, எந்த கார்டு பிக் பண்ண சொல்லுது அப்படின்ற ஒரு கிளாரிஃபிகேஷனுக்கு நீங்க வந்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் will start doing it. First வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா I'm going to take this amethyst card, okay? நம்ம வந்து amethyst card எடுத்துட்டு clarify பண்ணலாம். என்ன கார்டு என்ன வந்திருக்கு, என்ன மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கு, இது அடுத்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றத வந்துட்டு will get deep into it, okay? Thank you. So yes, I have taken this amethyst, okay? Amethyst card வந்து நான் amethyst-க்கான cards வந்து நான் வந்து எடுத்துருக்கேன். So என்னென்ன cards அப்படின்றத first of all நம்ம வந்து பார்க்கலாம், okay? This is 3 of wands, okay? 3 of wands, queen of swords in reverse, okay? And 7 of pentacles in reverse, okay? And oracle cardல நமக்கு என்ன வந்திருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா white witch, be the light, okay? This is the oracle card oda advice card, okay? Okay, so what it is trying to tell you, okay? 7 of pentacles, queen of swords in reverse and something in 3 of wands, okay? What it is trying to say அப்படினு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா some people is trying to take a proper vision of what is happening in your life. உங்களுக்கே வந்து தெரியல or நான் வந்து நிறைய ஸ்டோரிஸ் சொல்வேன். ஸோ எந்த ஸ்டோரிஸ் வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு மேட்ச் ஆகுது, எந்த ஸ்டோரிஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரெசனேட் ஆகுது அப்படின்றத வந்து நீங்க வந்து பாத்துக்கோங்க, ஓகே? somebody is at distance, okay? Somebody is at distance, they don't know, they are just looking out to or somebody is looking at the top of the mountain and the madri, they are just trying to look out what to do next because they are not something getting clarity. ஒரு truth அவங்களுக்கு வந்து கிடைக்கல, something அவங்களுக்கே தெரியாம ஒரு manipulation நடக்குது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி they are feeling it out because queen of swords in reverse. அவங்களோட மைண்ட் சொல்றது, அவங்களோட ஹார்ட் சொல்றதே வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா அவங்களால வந்து கேட்க முடியல because nothing is in their control. Everything is going out of control. They don't know what to do next, what is happening in their life. They are just seeking out what to do because they are at so many distance. For the love people வந்து எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா they are at distance. You don't know what to do in your love life. You don't know what to do in your love life, okay? And you don't know you don't know what to do in your love life because nothing seems to be very clear for you. உங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்றதுனே வந்து தெரியல. You seems like you are in dark. You are in dark because you are at distance. You don't know how to communicate with your partner, or you don't know, nothing is matching in your life. Nothing is நீங்க நினைச்ச மாதிரி வந்து எதுவுமே வந்து நடக்கல. So you don't know, you are not getting the proper clarity. ஒரு truth கிடைக்கல, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு proper answer கிடைக்கல. And Seven of Pentacles. Okay, you have everything but still you are not happy. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do next. Okay, you are just stuck. You are just stuck. You are just stuck because all your cards உங்களோட cards வச்சு பார்க்கும்போது you are stuck somewhere. You don't know what the decision has to be made next. என்ன டெசிஷன் எடுக்கணும்னே அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஐடியாவே வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களை வச்சு பார்க்குறச்சே உங்களுக்கே வந்து தெரியல என்ன டெசிஷன் எடுக்க போகிறோம், என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், எதுவுமே வந்து தெரியல. அண்ட் ஈவன் தோ யூ ஆர் நாட் ஹாப்பி பிகாஸ் யூ ஆர் அட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ், யூ ஆர் சம்வேர் எல்ஸ், யூ ஆர் அட் த டாப். கீழே மேல இருந்தும் கீழே பார்க்கும்போது யூ cannot able to see the truth, you cannot able to see the clarity, and at the same time because you are in dark, you don't know what to do next. You don't know what to do next. You என்ன பண்றதுனே வந்து தெரியல. சுத்தியுமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து டார்க்கா இருக்கிற மாதிரி வந்து தான் இருக்கு வந்துட்டு. பட் நீங்க நினைக்கிற மாதிரி வந்து எதுவுமே இல்லை. everything is going to turn out very soon, but let's clarify. Okay, let's clarify பண்ணலாம் வந்து ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் இருக்கு அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு. Okay, why is the Three of Wands is here? 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 You are not happy with what you have because you are in dark. You don't know what to do. You are not getting the proper clarity. Everything seems to be very confused because you are in the dark. Why is the Three of Wands is here? Why is the Three of Wands is here? I told you, love problem. Because உங்களால ரியலைஸ் பண்ண முடியல what is happening around you in your love life. உங்களோட intuition is guiding you because you cannot able to realize, you cannot something has happened in your life or something like that. நீங்க அந்த ரியலைசேஷனுக்கு வர முடியல. அந்த ரியலைசேஷன்ல வந்து உங்களால உணரவும் முடியல because you cannot realize anything what is happening, and you are trying to move forward. You are trying your best to listen to your intuition, but you cannot able to do it. Please listen to your intuition. This is what the card is trying to say. Be the light. Be the light, guys. Be the light. Your intuition is trying to tell you. ஏன் அதை கேட்க மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க? Please கேளுங்க. கேட்டா மட்டுமே you can able to resolve your love issues or anything it could be. நீங்க வந்து இத work-ஓட ரிலேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. in case உங்களோட வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு பிரச்சனையோட ரிலேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. But the story, this is the energy, this is the scenario. இந்த scenario வந்து என்ன அப்படினு வந்து கேட்டிட்டீங்கன்னா Three of Wands எதுக்கு அப்படி வந்து வந்திருக்கு because இந்த கார்டுக்கு தான் நம்ம வந்து இப்ப கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணோம். இந்த கார்ட்ஸ்க்கு கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணதுல because you cannot realize anything. உங்களோட ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கே வரவே முடியல. என்னன்னே உங்களுக்கே வந்து புரியல. You are taking in your own time because you are not getting the truth. You are not getting the clarity. So you are stuck like this. எல்லாமே இருந்து என்னால சந்தோஷமா இருக்க முடியலையே அப்படின்ற ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கு. Okay, let me get the advice for you. Okay, என்ன advice வந்துட்டு it's trying to tell you அப்படின்றத வந்து நம்ம what is the best advice you want to give to the people who have chosen amethyst? It's advice. Please give me the advice, guys. Please give me the advice. The advice for the people who have chosen amethyst. Okay. Okay, You're holding on to something. You're holding on to something. The advice is, please don't create any kind of conflict in this matter. Please try to be patient. Patience patience. Don't try to create any kind of discrimination love life. That's very important, because and the word because maybe discrimination love life or work life தோணல் இருக்கு எனக்கு. So please don't, அந்த word எனக்கு தோணுது இப்போ. So please don't discriminate, and please don't create conflict in any of your situation. And you're trying to go, please, it also trying to tell you, hold, please hold, give up, hold on பண்ணுங்க, please. At the same time, don't be so possessive. I feel like the cards which pakambodu, or you being so possessive towards your love life or towards your anything it could be. Don't be so possessive. Don't create any kind of conflict. This is the advice is trying to tell you. The tarot cards is trying to tell you. Okay, don't create any kind of. Try to be true to your love life. Try to be true to your partner or something like that. And please don't create any conflict, and don't be so possessive. Possessiveness irukala, but if it has crossed the boundary, it has crossed the limit, kandipa it would create a problem. So this is advice for you guys who have chosen amethyst card. So next we'll go for the people who have chosen rose quartz. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Hi to the people who have chosen rose quartz crystal. Okay, ungaloda cards na enna abindradha paakalam. 10 of wands. Okay, 10 of pentacles. Wow. 8 of cups. 8 of cups. Okay, and dream and journey. Dream and journey. Okay, okay. Over cards நம்ம வந்து clarify பண்ணலாம். Okay, இந்த இதை வச்சு பார்க்கும்போது இந்த ரெண்டு கார்ட்ஸுமே பாருங்களேன், you cannot see the faces. Somebody has turned out. உங்களோட லைஃப்ல வந்துட்டு somebody has went away, somebody has turned out, somebody, because why I could see a lot of family related for see 3 scenarios here: work related, family related, and love related. Okay, somebody has turned out. Okay, somebody has ghosted, somebody வந்து யாரோ ஏமாத்திட்டு போயிட்டாங்க, somebody வந்துட்டு have left the relationship, somebody has coached வீட்டை விட்டு வெளியே போயிட்டாங்க, because they feel it like family problems வந்து burden-ஆ வந்து feel பண்றாங்க, இல்ல ஒரு relationship-ஐ வந்து burden-ஆ feel பண்றாங்க. இல்ல அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா work related-ஏ வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா this work is not for me, I feel it so burden, நிறைய தூக்கி வந்துட்டு ஏமாலே வந்து போடுற மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. பட் மோஸ்ட் அண்ட் மோர் வந்து ஒர்க் ரிலேட்டட் அப்படின்றத விட I could see her love and family related தான் என்னால வந்து இங்க வந்து நிறைய பார்க்க முடியுது. Somebody has not at all happy. See, they have everything, but still they have went away. Because their dream and their journey is different. Their dream and their journey is different, so that is why they have turned out. I don't know why is that why they have been, people have turned out. And again I சொல்றேன், this is a general reading guys. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what it resonated, what it does resonates with you. Please resonate agala abdina, you can skip something, you can skip to some other cards or something else. You can skip the video. Okay, let's see why is 8 of cups is here. Okay, I'm just going to clarify for this card. 8 of cups inge irukku, because somebody has turned out, somebody has went away, somebody has left you, somebody has ghosted you. Okay, why is the 8 of cups is here? Why is the 8 of cups is here? Show me the 3 cards. Why is the 8 of cups is here? 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 The Magician, the King of Swords, and the Empress. Okay, because they don't see the growth, because they don't see the growth here, because they want something else. They want something else over here. They want something else. அவங்க என்ன எதிர்பார்க்கறாங்களோ அது இந்த இடத்துல வந்து அவங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கல. So they don't see any kind of growth. They don't see any kind of growth in this relationship or in your family or anything. எப்படி வேணாலும் நீங்க வந்து இதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Because they don't see any kind of growth here. Because the person who is very logical, very intellectual and not much expressive person, something like that, எனக்கு தோன்றதை நான் வந்து சொல்றேன். And so they don't see any kind of growth over here in your relationship or in your work or in your firm or something like that, because they are looking out something more. They are looking out something more because the Magician is here. அவங்களோட எண்ணங்கள் அவங்களோட, because he is manifesting something else. He wants something else. This seems to be very burden for her or for him. He cannot take it on his or her shoulders. So they have moved out. They have moved out. Okay, let's see why is the Ten of Wands is here. Why is the Ten of Wands is here? Why is the Ten of Wands is here? Why is the Ten of Wands is here? As I told you, right? Their dream and journey is different. They have gone out leap of faith. They are looking for something new. Something new is they are looking out for something new here. They feel it is like very, very burden. Okay, and they feel it is like they are giving more in your relationship. They are giving more to it, but still they have not got. They feel it like they have not got what they have given much in this relationship or later to work or something like that. They have not அவங்க என்ன நினைச்சாங்களோ அது வந்து அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இங்க வந்து கிடைக்கல. Because they have given so much. ஒரு proper balance இல்ல, நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. They have given so much. In return they have not got what they have expected. Because there is a lot of restrictions. மேபி உங்க ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்ல நீங்க வந்து ரொம்ப ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷனா இருந்திருக்கலாம், ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு நிறைய இது பண்ணிருக்கலாம். மேபி அதனால ஒன் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டோரி இதுதான். Because they have given more and you have given so much of restrictions, you have given him or her so much of headache, அதனால பொந்து போயிருக்கலாம். They are looking for something new journey, new beginning over here. That is why they have left. We have clarified for this card. புரிஞ்சுதா? So don't be so much ரொம்ப ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. Leave them in their own way. இல்லைன்னா இப்படிதான் ஆகும். They will leave. Let's see what's advice. Let's see what's advice. Give me the advice for the rose quartz crystal people. Give me the advice for the, because their dream, their journey is totally different. You have restricted them so much. You have given them so much of burden. That is why they have left. Because அவங்களுக்கு இங்க எல்லாமே இருக்கு, இருந்தும் வந்துட்டு you have given them so much of restrictions, so much அவங்க நிறைய வந்து கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Their journey is also totally different. They don't see any growth in this relationship. That is why they have left. They have manifested and they are also manifesting something new to get better and to grow better and to see better in the coming future. Let's see what's advice. I don't know. See, எல்லாமே ரிவர்ஸ்ல வந்திருக்கு. எதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே ரிவர்ஸ்ல வருதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. Okay. The advice is, this is a card for commitment. This is the card Queen of Pentacles. Okay. See, ஒரு கமிட்மெண்ட்ல இருக்காங்க. There is a lack of commitment over here. Okay, the advice is there is a lack of commitment, there is a lack of love. Yes, there is a lack of commitment and the lack of love, lack of direction. So please try to have a proper commitment. Don't be so rude, don't be don't give so much of restrictions to your boy or to your girl. In that case they will run away, because I could see the advice is you have a lot of lack of commitment, or proper commitment illayo appdin vandu I could feel here. And I could see a money related problem also here. So money issues kuda irukku. Money for most of the people I could see money issues also here. So try to correct them. If that case, everything will be all right. So try to patch up, try to give your best. Thank you so much for the people who have chosen rose quartz. We'll next go to black tourmaline. Okay guys, this is for the people who have chosen black tourmaline. Okay, let's see what are the cards first. Okay, Magic Guardian, unlock the magic within. You have some magic within yourself, so you need to unlock. Okay, Queen of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so what it is trying to say அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்க்கும்போது, somebody is watching you, and you are also watching them. You guys are working together. Maybe for some of the people, see two stories here. Okay, one story is you are watching him and he is watching you. You guys are not talking and guys are not communicating to each other regarding something like that. Okay, one thing is there is a conflict or something like that, but at the same time your guys are not communicating. Something work related, I could see a lot of work related issue, some work related the most because this is a Three of Pentacles is here. Okay, see, if you believe in angels or if you believe in spirit guides or something like that, you can ask the guidance, you can look out for the guidance, something like that. Okay, and let's see why is the Three of Pentacles is here. Okay, why is the Three of Pentacles is here? Why is the Three of Pentacles is here? Oh. Why is the Three of Pentacles is here? Okay, I told you. Okay, Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups in reverse. Somebody rejected the love. Or somebody has turned against you regarding the love. Okay, and because of that you guys are not communicating. உங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் நீங்களே வந்துட்டு yourself நீங்களே உங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுத்திக்கிறீங்க. Sabotage ன்னு சொல்வாங்கல்ல, கரெக்ட்டா ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்றேனா தெரியல. Okay, you thought you guys this is going to give a new beginning, something like that, but it didn't turn out well because the Queen of Cups is in reverse. The Three of Pentacles என்ன சொல்ல வருதுன்னு வந்து நம்ம பார்த்தோம்ல. So Three of Pentacles, what does it mean is the one of the love, your love or நீங்க propose பண்ணதோ இல்ல யாராவது உங்களுக்கு propose பண்ணதோ that got rejected, or work relatedல வந்து one of the projects or something like that got rejected, and you guys are not happy about it, because one of them is crying out very bad. One of them is crying out very bad. Maybe one of them is looking out pathite irukanga, but why you guys are looking out each other? Because there is some love problem. That is why you guys are looking out for each other. Enna pandrathu? Because you guys are not communicating also regarding why it is like that. I could see a strong breakup something. Some breakups also has happened regarding on this, but you guys are watching each other. You guys are watching each other. rendu பேர் வந்து each direction, each moves, or watching you, even in social media or something like that. Everyone is watching each other, because at the same time you guys are not communicating. I don't know why. Love nale problem danga. Let's see why is the Page of Swords is here. Why is the Page of Swords is here? Why is the Page of Swords is here? Again, yes, conflict, problem. You guys are taking out your time to heal yourself. You guys are taking your time to heal. But at the same time, சண்டை போட்டுட்டே வந்து இருக்கீங்க. Give time, give space. இல்லைனா அவங்க தான் உள்ள ஒத்துக்கலைன்னா விட்டுருங்களேன். Look out for something new. Heal yourself and grow. உங்களை நீங்க எப்படி வந்துட்டு முன்னேறிக்க முடியும்ன்றதை பார்த்துட்டு just go on that way. Why you ஏன் வந்து conflict create பண்ணணும்? எதுக்கு வந்து அதனால ஒரு problem create பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வந்து இருக்கணும்? Heal yourself. This is a time to take rest, please. Don't look out for each other. அதை பார்த்துட்டு இதை பார்த்துட்டு திருப்பி சண்டை போட்டுக்காதீங்க. See, one வந்துட்டு பிரேக்கப் ஆயிருக்கணும், இல்லைன்னா சண்டை வந்திருக்கணும், இல்லைன்னா லவ் ரிஜெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கணும், நீங்க நினைச்ச மாதிரி லவ் வந்து இருந்திருக்காது. So that is why. But you guys are still seeing each other. இல்ல? Let's see why is the Queen of Wands is here. In your relationship, I could see a lot of feminine energy that romba jaasthiya irukku. Masculine energy with a feminine energy jaasthiya irukku. Let's see. Why is the Queen of Wands is here? A lot of problem in your love life. Toxicity. No way, no. There is a lot of toxicity problem in your love life, guys. Please take a break. There is a lot of toxicity, lot of trapping, lot and lots of toxicity. Lots and lots of toxicity. No. In your relationship. No, please. Don't rush. Either the boy is not so good, because that is why the girl has left. Mostly I could see the girl has rejected her because the Queen of Cups is in reverse, because she has experienced a lot of toxicity in this relationship. That is why she wants to move on. She rejected. She needs a new journey. I could see here. Lots and lots of toxicity. Okay, whoever is healing here, please, you are doing something great. Please take the healing. Okay. What's the advice for the Black Tourmaline people who have chosen this? What is the advice? What is the advice? Okay. Keep your options open. Keep your options open. You'll have a good life. You will have a good future, you will have a good partner in your life or something, because you want to keep your options open. Heal yourself first. You will have a good married life or good new love, something like that you can experience in the coming future very soon. So thank you so much, guys. This is advice for the black tourmaline people. So don't give up, keep your options open, because you have been in the, I think for the people who have chosen black tourmaline, you have been in the toxic relationship all these years and you're trying to heal yourself, you're trying to come out of it. All the best for you guys. Very soon you will meet your soulmate, very soon, because I have got the Lover's card. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube page. Please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. I'll continuously video because I'm very happy and I have Wi-Fi connection. Thank you so much. If you want to take personal reading, my number is 8610337463. This is my WhatsApp number. Ping panni, you can take classes. Tarot reading I am taking some other classes like manifestation and card cutting therapy and mind reprogramming classes kuda na edutittiruken. So idha patti detailed therinjukona you have to WhatsApp me, and Instagram page, enoda YouTube page, enakku enoda WhatsApp number ellame na description la na kuduthirken. So please keep supporting me and share it to the people whoever wants to see this messages. Okay, and advice for the people now: unlock the magic within, because you're healing, you're going to see your partner very soon. Thank you so much and keep supporting me. Bye.